Hi everyone. For this question, given that negative 2m plus 3 plus in equals to negative 4 plus 3i, find the complex numbers m and n if n is a conjugate of m. So from the questions here, we understood that m is represent a complex number. A complex number in standard form or in Cartesian form will be written as yx plus yi. Meanwhile, n is the conjugate of n, so it will be equal to x minus yi. So conjugate, we only change the imaginary part from positive to negative. So based on the equation given, we are going to find out what is our complex number mn here. So we substitute m as complex number x plus yi, for n x minus yi. Then we're going to simplify here to find out what is our xy, so that in order to obtain what is our m and n. So expand this, 3x and then minus 3yi plus xi and then minus yi squared. So from here, we simplify our operation on complex number imaginary unit here. I squared is equals to negative 1. Then we rearrange our real part, which is starting with negative 2x plus 3x. And then this one, negative y times negative 1 plus y. So this is our real part. Then we collect our imaginary part so that we can compare this to negative 4 plus 3i. So for imaginary part, it will be negative 2i, then negative 3yi, then plus xi. So for the I, we take out together, put in bracket. Simplify our real part here, we can see this is x plus y. And then imaginary part, x minus 5y. Then we compare for this equality of the complex number, which means that we can see the real part is x plus y, which is equal to negative 4 for the first simultaneous equation, and then x minus 5i for imaginary part, which is equal to the value of 3. So this is our second equation. Then we're going to solve this simultaneous equation. For x and x, we have similar terms here, so we are going to use elimination method. Therefore, equation 1 minus equation 2, x will be eliminated. So y, negative, negative, become positive, plus 5. It will become 6y. So this one will become negative 7. Therefore, we get y equals to negative 7 over 6. Then we substitute this into either one equation. Let's say we pick equation 1. So here we have our value of x and y. Then we need to answer our question where you want us to find out what is your m. So m will be x plus yi. So negative 17 over 6 plus y. So become negative 7 over 6i. Meanwhile, for complex number n, it will be the conjugate of complex number n. Therefore, it will become negative 17 over 6 plus 7 over 6i. So next we continue. Where we need to discuss here is what is your important step here. So the first concept we want to see is, do you understand the question where n and n is represent our standard form? So this is the form that we want to see, where you substitute m and n as a complex number and its conjugate. Then we'll simplify. Then you can get to the second concept where you separate out where is your real part and where is your imaginary part. So this is the concept that we see, the one we want here. Then after you forming these two simultaneous equation, the next concept is solve the simultaneous equation. So we want to see how you solve your y and how you solve your x, concept of simultaneous equation. After that, answer the question, give us the answer of m in complex number form and answer of n in conjugate complex number. So that's all for this.